Hello everyone, this is Maheshwar Reddy Pulchalla. I am from secondary EC department studying at Srinivasa Raman Institution of Technology. Today I would like to explain about one thing on course mini project, and that is related to the doorbell timer monostable multivibrator. So in this circuit we will components are required, one transistor of range 2N2222 and one LED and one buzzer and one LED battery and also one resistor of 470 ohms. Now we will see the connection circuit diagram of the doorbell timer, which is so that we can connect that on the breadboard. So this is the block diagram of that doorbell timer of monostable multivibrator. So this is the transistor of 2N2222 in the range, and this is the buzzer, this is the LED, and this is the resistor of 470 ohm, and this is the 9 volts HW battery. So we will connect the circuit on the breadboard. Let us see. Yeah, required components are transistor of range 2N2222, and this is the resistor of 470 ohms. This is the buzzer, and this is the one push button, an LED, and HW battery, and connecting wires. Now we will see the connection of the block diagram. Now we will connect this circuit as per the circuit block diagram. Now we will connect the transistor of, this is emitter, base, and collector. We will place on breadboard like this. And for that we will connect one, this emitter is connected to negative terminal of the battery. So emitter here, and we will place here to the one connecting wire. Similarly, and base is connected to the switcher. You can see it in the circuit diagram. For that we will do here, this is the base of terminal, will connect to the one connecting wire. Similarly, and collector is also connected to the switcher. So do similar one, taking the collector terminal and joining insert like this. Between them a switch is there, so switch means we can do and push button, this one push button. Similarly, and the collector of collector terminal we are connecting the LED bulb. So for that we are doing one connecting wire from collector. Yes, like this collector, you can see this one, and placing LED like this. Okay, and similarly negative terminal of the LED we connect the buzzer of negative terminal, and positive terminal of the buzzer we connect it to the ground. Okay, now this buzzer positive terminal will connect to the ground one. Okay, at last one resistor is there, 470 ohm, with LED positive is connected to the 470 ohm, and this 470 ohm is connected to the battery positive terminal. Okay, so circuit is almost completed. You can see like this, which one are connecting. Now we will connect the battery and we will test it. So positive terminal should keep this side, and negative terminal should keep emitters one. Now we will see. LED is reversed so that is not glowing. This is the doorbell mini timer of monostable multivibrator. So you have observed that the circuit diagram of doorbell timer of monostable multivibrator. See, this is the circuit and this is my mini project of ECA. Thank you.